Hi, friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. Today I'm sharing with you some fun springtime card making ideas using the Spellbinders Card Kit of the Month for the month of March 2019. First, I begin by die cutting all of my pieces using the cardstock that was provided in the kit, and my go-to die cutting machine is the Spellbinders Platinum 6. The reason why I enjoy using the Spellbinders Platinum 6 is because it is smaller in size than the Platinum, and I do have the Platinum, but I tend to use that mostly on the big dies. So with the Platinum 6, I am able to just leave it on top of my desk, and it doesn't take up that much space, and it works just as the big Platinum. Once I have all my pieces die cut, I begin to work on my cards. Now I'm going to speed up my video, and I am so sorry that I'm not very talkative in this video because I just have something in my throat. I'm getting over the flu, and it just does not feel comfortable for me to speak. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some fun and relaxing music to my process, my card making process, and I will go ahead and leave you with the links to this kit in the description area below. And also Spellbinders does provide you with some of the items from their card making kits on a la carte basis, and I will go ahead and link you to those items in the area underneath this video as well. Thank you so very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video.